Hello guys! Welcome back at Wilmas Kitchen. Today ay magluluto po tayo ng hulaan nyo. Hindi po yan pizza guys. This is my way of cooking vegetable and pasta pizza or omelette. It's up to you guys. Here we will prepare 3 eggs and we will add garlic powder, oregano, pepper, and salt. Then we will combine all together. Mix well guys, and then we will add tomato, onion, bell pepper, and olives. I use black olives here guys. Sorry, na-post ko po yung video. I also added here cooked pasta, carrots, broccoli, and hot dog. Over high heat, we will add little olive oil. Then, we will fry our vegetable mixture. Just like this guys. And you have to flatten the vegetable including the pasta. You have to flatten like this. After like 3 minutes, pwede na po nating i-flip. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang po para hindi siya ma-deform. Yan, ilipat muna natin guys sa plate kasi mabigat yung aking kawali. Ayan guys, dahan-dahan lang po ang paglagay sa plate. Tapos before natin i-flip over back to the pan. Ayan, kuha tayo ng isa pang plate. Tapos i-flip muna natin dito guys. Pero pwede namang diretso kung kaya niyo mag-flip from the pan. Ako hindi ko kaya. So ayan. Lagyan natin ulit ng konting olive oil. Tapos i-slide back to the pan na natin ang ating vegetable. Ano ba tawag nito? Vegetable pasta omelette or pizza? I don't know guys. Now we will add shredded mozzarella cheese. Yung ibang cheese nagbuo-buo siya. Pero okay lang yan guys. Kasi pagtakpan natin yan, mamimelt yan. Ayan, maraming cheese. Dapat cheesy. Yan. I-cook muna natin guys ng mga another 3 minutes. And look at that. See? It's melting. It looks so cheesy. And it's done. Pwede na nating ilagay sa plate. Dahan-dahan lang ulit para hindi ma-deform. Ayan, slide natin sa ating plate. It's perfectly cooked, guys. Look at that. Dahan-dahan. Slowly but surely. Yan. Look at this guys. Parang pizza siya, no? Look, oh. Ayan guys, ready na po ang ating breakfast. Pwede rin siyang pang-snacks. So no need guys. No need to buy pizza always. You can use this vegetable. Mas healthy pa guys. Tapos alam mo, ikaw yung gumagawa. I always prepare this for my children guys. And they love it. Thank you for watching at Wilmas Kitchen. Yum, yum, yum. So yummy.